That's the damages for this iPhone 8 Plus. Surprisingly, the inside does look like it's nice, clean and clear of debris. Does not appear to have any excessive dust penetration nor liquid penetration. So the repair should go incident free and should flow smoothly. Most of the screws, if not all the screws, are intact. Only thing that's notable about this one is that the liquid crystal display has completely failed on it, with only it's working only partially right here in this region right near the home button. So we'll go ahead and quote a price based upon the original repair cost and also the cost for a failed LCD.